Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your C drive so that you improve the overall performance of your computer. And make sure that you watch till the end of this video so that you'll be equipped with all the tools that you need to clean your C drive. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go down and click on subscribe and also hit on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Okay. Okay, so now let's talk about computer speed. I know it's very frustrating to have a very slow computer because it will slow you down. Think of it. At work and home, you all use computers. So it means your computer has to be on point every time. Okay, so on this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your C drive so that you speed up your overall performance of your computer. Okay, so I'll start by telling you or explaining to you what the C drive is. So the C drive, this is the portion of the main hard drive that will be containing your operating system and all the other files that are essential in the running of your operating system. So remember that the operating system, this is the backbone of all operations. This is the platform where all the other softwares and all the other programs are run on. So it means now if there is any problem in the C drive, it will affect your overall performance of your computer. Okay, so what happens now every time that you'll be executing processes, the operating system will be creating what are called temporary files inside the C drive. And if those temporary files are too many, they'll end up taking a lot of space, and then it will end up slowing down the overall performance of your computer. So I'm going to show you how to do away with those files. Okay, so let's get into it and make sure you watch to the end. So the first step, you come here at the start button and then you click. Then you go here to search. You just type in run to go to the command prompt. So you run. And then you click here where it says run. And then here you type in temp, T-E-M-P, and then you say OK. And then you see all these files. These are all temporary files. Just select everything and then delete. So if it says like this, you just say skip because there are other files that you cannot delete. So just say skip and then it will delete what can be deleted. Okay. Okay, and then okay, so this is done. And then now you do the same again. So you go to start and then search and then run run. Then my run is here. I click on run. And then now you type %temp%. So you add the percentage at the end and also at the beginning like this. So it's %temp%. Then you hit your OK. So these are other temporary files. So you see with mine now, I don't have much because I always clean my C drive. Okay. So here as well, we select everything and then you delete. Let's delete this. Delete here. And then you skip the ones that cannot be deleted. Okay, so here we are done. And then we cancel and then we do this for the last time. You go to your start here on start and then you go to search and then you type run again. You go to the command prompt and then you click on run and then now you type in prefetch. Okay, there it is. I do this constantly, so it's always there. Okay. All right, and then okay, and then now to say you don't have permission to this, you just go say continue, and then you see other temporary files as well. You select everything and delete. We are deleting all temporary files that can be deleted. So this is our delete, and then there we are done. Okay, so now we are done with cleaning. Now we go to optimizing our C drive. Okay, so you go here where it says this PC, and then this is my C drive. So you right click, and then you go down here where it says properties. Okay, and then you go to tools, and then you go to here where it says optimize. So optimize, and then you see that I've got a 3 partition. So you go where it says C, the one on top there, and then you click on optimize. Okay, and then now it is starting now to run. Here can you see that it's saying running, it's analyzing. It will be going up until it goes to 100, and then it will tell you that it's done. Okay, so I'll close this. So for you, just let it go until it is done. Okay, now you go to the disk cleaner. So I go here where it says start, and then here on search and type in disk cleaner. Also here where it says free up disk space by deleting unnecessary files. So you click there, and then it will show you this window. It's this one. It takes a little bit of time, but you just have to wait for it. Sometimes it will take a couple of minutes, sometimes seconds. It all depends with what you be having in your computer, and also how slow your computer is. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, it's almost finishing. Okay, now it is done. Okay, so you come here now, you just select all these offline pages. You just select everything. You just select everything there, everything, and then you go to clean up. Okay, let's just say okay. Then you say, do you want to permanently delete all these files? You just say delete files, and then it will now start to clean all those unnecessary files that are on your computer in the C drive. Okay, this as well may take a couple of minutes, so you just wait for it. Okay, so the last thing that you do now is you have to empty your recycle bin, because everything that you delete will go to the recycle bin, of which it will still be taking up space, because your recycle bin will be storing whatever that will be inside in the C drive. So you go here on your desktop where the recycle bin is, and then you right click, and then you empty recycle bin. You click empty, and then you delete you click your delete, and then now your C drive has been cleaned. So you see that your performance will increase by a great margin. Okay, so if you have liked this video, go down there and click on subscribe so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Okay, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Okay, bye for now.